Hello everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. In today's video, we're diving into something truly powerful and often overlooked, the benefits of morning sunlight. We often hear about the importance of sunlight, but did you know that morning sunlight in particular holds a special kind of magic? It's true. The way the sun's rays hit us in those early hours has a profound impact on both our minds and bodies. So, if you're ready to unlock a world of natural wellness, just sit back, relax, and let's explore how the first rays of sunlight can significantly enhance your mental and physical health. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Why morning sunlight is special. You see, morning sunlight isn't just about brightness. It's about the unique composition of light that greets us at the start of each day. As the sun rises, its rays travel through more of the Earth's atmosphere. This filtering process results in a higher concentration of blue light, a wavelength that plays a crucial role in regulating our body's natural rhythms. One of the most remarkable things about morning sunlight is its low UV radiation. While we need some sun exposure for vitamin D production, excessive UV rays can be harmful. Morning sunlight, with its gentler angle, allows us to reap the benefits of sunshine without the same level of risk. Now you might be wondering, how does this blue light actually work its magic? Well, it's quite fascinating. When those first rays of morning sunlight hit your eyes, they trigger special receptors in your retinas. These receptors send a direct signal to your brain, specifically to a tiny but powerful region called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN for short. The SCN is essentially your body's master clock, and it's responsible for regulating your circadian rhythm. Think of it as the conductor of your body's symphony of sleep, wakefulness, hormone production, and so much more. One of the key hormones influenced by the SCN is melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone. When it's dark, your body produces melatonin, making you feel drowsy and ready for slumber. However, when those blue light signals from the morning sun reach your SCN, they act like a wake-up call, telling your body to stop producing melatonin and prepare for the day ahead. This natural process helps you wake up feeling refreshed, alert, and energized. It's like a gentle nudge from nature itself, guiding your body into a state of wakefulness and vitality. Chapter 2. Boosting mental health and mood. Now let's talk about how morning sunlight can work wonders for your mood and mental well-being. Have you ever noticed how a bright, sunny morning can instantly lift your spirits? There's a scientific reason behind that feeling. Exposure to morning sunlight stimulates the production of serotonin, often called the happy hormone. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood, promoting feelings of calmness, and enhancing focus and concentration. Think of serotonin as a natural mood booster, helping to alleviate stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. It's like a ray of sunshine for your mind. Numerous studies have shown a strong correlation between morning sunlight exposure and improved mental health. For instance, research has found that spending at least 10 to 15 minutes in morning sunlight daily can significantly reduce the symptoms of depression and anxiety. Imagine someone starting their day with a morning walk under the sun. This simple habit can brighten their mood, reduce feelings of stress, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. The benefits go beyond just feeling happier. Serotonin also plays a vital role in regulating sleep patterns, appetite, and even social behavior. So, by boosting your serotonin levels with morning sunlight, you're not only enhancing your mood but also promoting a greater sense of overall well-being. It's like giving your brain a natural boost of positivity and resilience. And the best part, it's completely free and accessible to everyone. So make it a habit to start your day with a dose of sunshine and experience the transformative power it can have on your mental health. Chapter 3. Better sleep quality. Now let's move on to another incredible benefit of morning sunlight: better sleep quality. You might be surprised to learn that the sun's rays play a vital role in regulating your sleep-wake cycles, even at night. Remember the circadian rhythm we talked about earlier, that internal clock governed by the SCN? Well, morning sunlight is crucial for keeping this clock in sync. By exposing yourself to sunlight early in the day, you're essentially sending a powerful signal to your body, letting it know it's time to be awake and alert. This, in turn, helps regulate the production of melatonin later in the evening, ensuring that when it's time for bed, your body is primed for a restful night's sleep. Think of it like setting your watch to the correct time. Morning sunlight acts as the calibrator, ensuring your body's internal clock is accurate and running smoothly. For example, those who work night shifts often experience sleep issues due to disruptions in their circadian rhythm. However, studies have shown that spending time in morning sunlight after work can help reset their internal clock, promoting better sleep quality despite their unconventional schedules. It's like hitting the reset button on your sleep cycle, allowing your body to realign with its natural patterns. The benefits of improved sleep quality are numerous. A good night's rest is essential for cognitive function, emotional regulation, physical health, and overall well-being. So, by simply incorporating morning sunlight into your routine, you can enhance your sleep and reap the rewards of a well-rested mind and body. Chapter 4. Physical health benefits. Now, let's shift our focus to the remarkable physical health benefits of morning sunlight. It's not just about feeling good mentally and emotionally, it's also about nourishing your body from the inside out. One of the most well-known benefits of sunlight is its role in vitamin D production. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it when exposed to sunlight, especially the UVB rays found in greater amounts during the morning hours. Vitamin D is essential for a wide range of bodily functions, including bone health, immune function, muscle strength, and even cell growth. For example, just 15 minutes of morning sun exposure can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin D requirement, helping to keep your bones strong, your immune system robust, and your muscles functioning optimally. But the benefits don't stop there. Morning sunlight also plays a role in boosting metabolism and promoting better cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that exposure to morning sunlight can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Imagine a person who starts jogging every morning and ends their routine with a cool-down session under the sun. Not only does this improve their fitness, but it also strengthens their immune system, enhances their bone health, and promotes better cardiovascular function. It's like a natural multivitamin, providing your body with a powerful dose of health-boosting benefits. So by simply incorporating morning sunlight into your daily routine, you can nourish your body from the inside out and support its optimal functioning. Chapter 5. Tips for making the most of morning sunlight. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of morning sunlight, you're probably wondering how to make it a part of your daily routine. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Let's discuss some practical and enjoyable ways to soak up those golden rays. One of the simplest and most effective ways to incorporate morning sunlight is by starting your day with a brisk walk outdoors. Aim for at least 10 to 20 minutes of walking under the open sky. Not only will this expose you to those mood-boosting rays, but it's also a fantastic way to get your blood flowing and energize your body for the day ahead. If walking isn't your thing, consider taking your breakfast outside or finding a sunny spot near a window. Imagine savoring your morning coffee while basking in the warm glow of the rising sun. It's a simple yet powerful way to start your day on a positive and uplifting note. For those who enjoy meditation or mindfulness practices, why not take your practice outdoors? Find a peaceful spot in nature, close your eyes, and allow the gentle warmth of the sun to wash over you as you connect with your breath and find your center. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of morning sunlight. Aim to get at least 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight exposure each morning, preferably between the hours of 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. when the sun's rays are most beneficial. Even on cloudy days, there's still a significant amount of sunlight that can penetrate the clouds. So, don't let a little overcast deter you from stepping outside and soaking up some natural light. And remember, safety first. While morning sunlight is generally gentler than midday sun, it's still crucial to protect your skin, especially if you have fair skin or are prone to sunburn. Apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to expose skin. Wear a hat and sunglasses for added protection, and avoid prolonged sun exposure during peak hours. Making these small changes to your daily routine can make a world of difference in your overall well-being. So, embrace the power of morning sunlight and experience the transformative effects it can have on your mind, body, and soul. And there you have it. The power of morning sunlight is truly amazing and accessible to everyone. From boosting your mood to improving your sleep, it's nature's gift for our health. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more content. Take care, and see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to BodyMake and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.